Explain mo muna nasan tayo.
We're at the last exit in Dubai. So,
what's in here?
Gasoline station and food stalls. Ayan, pakita mo yung mga food stalls.
Books. Gonna buy sambas for me and Jolek. This is the design. Super useful ng GCash card. We are currently here at Emirates Palace in Abu Dhabi. It's really, really beautiful. Turista siya. Cute. The struggle is real, but I got the photo. Go Tita Dulce. Support. No. Hello everyone! Today we're going to Miracle Garden and we're just gonna walk kasi sabi nila mas malapit lang siya sa place na sinestayan namin. So ngayon, super duper taas ng araw. Like, mahapdi siya sa balat pero super lamig. Okay, I'll see you guys in Miracle Garden. We are here! I think this is just a 10-minute walk from our place, so not bad. Turista siya na naman si the girl. We're gonna buy coffee and gelato because it's super duper hot. Gagawin. Nilalamig pero sunog na. Tila taga-picture ng afam. Wow!
Thank you, good one.
Kanina pa ako nagpipicture ng mga pictures na lang lahat. With consent. You're so cute. You say hi? Hi! Okay, so we're going back home. Nothing really special about the place, but if you like flowers, I think you'd like it. So, para lang siyang park, theme park, full of flowers. Tapos magagala ka lang talaga, like walking, take pictures, and then that's it. So yeah, I think magsiswim lang kami dun sa place, or mag-work na lang ako. So yeah, bye! Hello everyone! It's currently 5:26 in the afternoon and we're back here in JBR. We're gonna have dinner in a while pero mag-check sila mami ng beach kasi may open beach dito sa area na to. So yeah, uwing-uwi na ako kasi pang 8th day na po natin ngayon at umay na ako sa pagkain. Gusto ko na ng mga silot, please. Okay, bye! Lamig guys, as in OA. So we're gonna ride a boat. I don't know where to. Di ko rin sure if yate ba siya or boat lang. But tonight is really cold. It's not giving. If you guys didn't know me, super lamigin ko talaga as in. So ngayon, hindi naman ako ready. Like akala ko magmamall lang kami. So hindi ako nagbalot masyado. Magbubot si bakla. But yeah, I'll show you guys the place later. Bye! Ito yung outfit ko. Just pants, sando inside, and then just a normal jacket. super malamig pa rin. Sana pala dinala ko na yung sweater ko. Sobrang hangin. Lamig-lamig. Hi everyone! We're currently here in Al Saif and this is in Old Dubai, I would say. Pwedeng ikaw mag-vlog kasi hindi ko alam kung nasan tayo.
Al Saif. Yun lang naman yung name.
Anong meron dito?
So it's like a touch of Old Dubai. So you can see mostly historical features in Dubai from here.
Ito pa siya.
Slay ka dun, sis. Ang aking tourist guide. Na-slay pa. Na binaboycott ang Starbucks, pero ngayon, magmamatcha na siya. Girl, tinan mo yung puti natin dito.
Yung ganda ng lighting.
True, girl. Ikot tayo. Yan, nawala na yung lighting. Na lang pala yung ice white. Sorry.
Stress na siya.
Ano pa?
Order ka na, sis.
Pwede bukuha na lang ito. Ate, kung gusto mo.
Nahiya pa daw siya dun sa lagay. Girl, lagligan mo na. Isa na lang mo.
Uy, daming bashers.
Meanwhile, isa lang.
So, this is Ali. Yan. Siya appetizing. Egyptian dessert.
Ulit.
So we have Ali here. Ayan. Quote. Tapos di mo nilagyan ng quote. Uy, yan dyan pa yung ulitin mo. So, that's
This is how it looks like.
It's an Egyptian dessert. So this is Ali, an Egyptian dessert. It's made of coconut milk, raisins, pistachios, almonds. So yeah, try it. It's nice. Taste test. Pinatikim niya ako oysters kanina. So.
Ano yung sagi na bread? Dami, where are
Ano niya yan?
We are at the talk. Movenpick, Jumeirah Beach Resort.
I'm scared.
Ang pag
To the ones that we got. Cheers to wish you were.
But you're not. Ito naman si Maroon 5.
kaya ko pa gawin. At saka nagawa ko to, important pa yung work life.
We are here at Creek Marina.
Hindi lang Marina.
Yung ganitong point, kasi ganun parang mahaba.
I-aura mo. I-aura mo yan, girl. Okay, so it's our last full day here today. And what we're going to do is mamimili kami ng pasalubong. And I think magte-thrift shop sila later. Try nila yung mga ukay. And then magla-lunch kami sa parang dampa. Yung parang mamamalengke ka rin. So, di ko alam yung tawag. Mainit na naman. Maaraw. But it's so pretty here. Look. Can you guys see it? Wait, I cannot see it. There you go. Go! High vlog! Go! Dito na po kami sa dampa ng Dubai. Paluto. Pipilas. Namamalengke sila, mami. Kami ay pipila. Paluto.
We're here in Paluto restaurant.
Paluto.
It's, you know, like 25 dirhams, not reals, per kg.
Siya si Rufami.
Here is the password.
Oh, extreme right. Nag-left. Certain weight, like you're only allowed to. Anyway, dyan in Saudi Arabia.
Gawin sila guys. Kumain lang naman ako ng McDo para masama-sama ako ng tao.
Alam mo, it's only last coffee that after McDonald's.
Nagkape lang naman ako. Parang may pinatay na. Happy birthday to him.
Sarap.
One more.
Give me 1 kilo, 10 only.
Okay, 10.
No more free taste? Ah, I'm just gonna buy it. That's so big.
This taste another one.
Yummy? You're eating your product? Oh, tomorrow pa daw sweet. Tsaka mo daw kainin. Maya, favorite niya kasi yan. Give her 10 kilos.
Mama, mahal ba to? Mura.
Talaga? Magkano ba sa Pinas? Sa isang pirasong atis. Bye. Thank you. We are back here in Al-Sif. Kasi may bibilhin silang mga crystals. And again, we're gonna get some coffee. Super lamig na naman. At ang ganda ng lighting here. Hello. So pretty. Row your boat. Sabihin mo, nasan tayo?
Old Dubai.
Ang bilis naman, habaan mo. Gumanong ka. Kita nyo yan? Lupa namin yan. Pagmamayari namin yan.
Minana ko pa yan sa lolo ng lolo ko, no?
Tagal ng biyahe guys. Parang 11 hours.
Ano yung mga trip ng pamilya namin?
Kaya nga. Oh, ayan na ang Old Dubai.
Old Maldives.
Kung saan biniyahe namin ng 11 hours. Sa alahas na naman po tayo.
Oh, this is bigger. Can you check? No, this is bigger. Can I try it?
Grabe.
Natatawa ka there? That's old.
Cashmere scarf for 30 dirhams. So soft.
Okay. Ayan.
Long time no see!
Bitin naman! Hello po!
10 days lang.
Hi, tita!
Hello, kamusta?
Uy, parang hindi mo naman ako na-miss.
Hindi talaga.
Parang hindi nakakita kilala eh. Thank you so much! Bye!
Kahit anong oras pumunta kayo dito, welcome.
See you in Bangkok!
Salamat ng maraming.
Nasya nyo lang nadatnan nyo sa bahay.
Bye vlog!
Bye vlog.